when I said before I went from laser hair removal to photofacial, et cetera, let me preface that by saying I didn't just do it on a whim to add more service. I did it because the people that were asking questions to me about my courses were saying, "Oh, well, do you have tattoo removal? Do you have body contouring?" And I was like, "Oh, no, no, no. All I got is laser hair removal training." So obviously, I quickly learned what they wanted. They wanted this comprehensive package of laser hair removal, photofacial, blah blah blah. So yeah, you kind of evolve with the market need.
You're sort of getting to my number 10 here is let your clients tell you. And really pay attention. Don't jump at every single thing one person says. Really look for trends in that. And they'll tell you, I tried, this one sucks and that one's really gross and, blah, blah, blah. We need a good place to go to. We love you guys. When you get that that's almost number 10 on the list, but it's extraordinarily important. The first thing to do is to know, number one, what are you doing wrong with your marketing by doing your research? Then also act like a consumer online in your neighborhood. Look for Botox and fillers or like specific long tail stuff. Like how do I get rid of crow's feet? Blah, blah, and in, your town, say your town name, see what comes up, right? And then if you can somehow get a feel for how booked out they are, if they're booked out for 2 weeks, that's a great opportunity. If they look really crappy and you think you could beat them, that's great. If they're raking it in and doing really, really well, there might be also an opportunity for you because they're doing the marketing. Lewis loves this, right? They're doing the marketing for you. They're creating the awareness and the demand. They're probably booked out. And people are looking, I need to get in before because the wedding is 2 weeks and whatever, right?